Good morning guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. Today's video is I'm gonna be cooking stuffed red bell pepper. So what you're gonna need is a pound of ground chicken meat, and if you can find 95% lean meat, that is good. So you need a 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and I'm using a teaspoon of McCormick seasoning instead of salt and pepper because I like it better. A teaspoon of minced garlic, a half cup chopped red onions, half cup broccoli, a few leaves of chopped fresh celery, 4 bell peppers, fresh ones. So if you like yellow or green, you can use that. I like the red one because red is a lot sweeter than any other color. And a bowl of fresh mushrooms. You can use the baby portobello. And a cup of cooked quinoa. Let's begin the cooking. Okay, so let's saute the garlic and onions with olive oil into the frying pan. Then add the chicken until they are lightly brown. Add fresh mushroom and stir. Meanwhile, while the chicken is cooking, cut the top off of the fresh bell pepper and get rid of the seeds. And do the rest. Now back into the chicken. This looks to be already cooked. It is time to add cooked quinoa. Stir until everything mixed up together. Now we are ready to mix the broccoli and celery and stir it again. Now the stuffing is almost ready. We can put them inside the bell pepper. Here we go. Let's stuff the bell pepper. Now we are ready to put this in the grill. Let's set the grill to bake. I will bake it for 10 minutes first, then I'll change it into broil after 15 minutes. I'll put in the smaller one first. And since this one is a little bit taller, so I'm gonna just lay it down sideways. And I'm going to put the lid of the bell pepper and let it cook for 15 minutes. I will get back, change the baking to broiling for another 20 minutes. I'm gonna set the timer for 30 minutes total. Now we are ready to turn this the other side so it will be evenly cooked. This is already looking delicious, you guys. Now let's cook this for another 5 minutes. Here we go. We are ready. Let's roll. Let's take it out from the grill and let's pick this up. Ooh, this is so delicious. Here is the finished product, you guys. This is so delicious. It was very easy. I hope you enjoyed this show, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching Aurora's Cooking. Bye-bye.